Hey guys, welcome to Auto Wonders. I am Rishabh Batra and this is...
Aman Chaudhary.
And
So-
what are we doing today, Aman?
Today we are going to be reviewing our cars. That's Rishabh's 2014 i20 sports optional variant, and that's my 2016 Baleno Alpha Petrol.
Yes, and how many kilometers have you completed on your vehicle?
So I've completed around 10,300 kilometers on my vehicle.
Okay, and I have done 43,000 kilometers on my i20. So, what all modifications have you done on your vehicle, Aman?
So as such, I've not done any modifications. The only modification I've done is to the system. I've added a subwoofer to my car. It's a 350 watts subwoofer. It's an
Yeah.
under-seat woofer. It's pretty good.
Oh, I know, I've heard it. And in the name of modifications, the only thing that I have added is a little bit of visors, some seat covers, that's it. How about we take our cars for a spin, Aman?
Sure. Which one do you want to take?
I guess my i20 looks better, so we should take it first.
Well, mine has an entire horsepower more.
Oh yeah.
So how about mine?
As if that matters on the road.
It does. Mine weighs only 850 kgs. What about
Yeah.
yours?
Yours get damaged also easily.
Mine gets repaired also easily.
Chalo, let's go.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah. So right now we are in your Baleno.
Absolutely.
So first, let's wear the seat belts.
Safety first.
Yep.
Let's go. So I really like the power and torque meter you get over here.
Yeah. I like the digital cluster. But yours doesn't have the digital speedometer that my car has.
Well, it has a lot more features and gimmicks than your cars.
So you've done 10,000 kilometers. So what all good things are there in this car?
So the engine is extremely punchy.
Yeah.
You have a good response.
Mm-hmm.
Suspension is a big no-no for the car.
Okay.
It's extremely hard.
Yeah, I could realize that. I could sense it when I sat in your car for the very first time.
Absolutely.
I think the i20 has a softer suspension in comparison to the Baleno.
Absolutely. Otherwise, very stiff suspension. So
Right.
over potholes and all,
Yeah.
which you have a lot in India, you
Yeah.
need to go very slow on them. Otherwise, engine-wise, it's an extremely high revving car.
Yeah.
You can enjoy if you just shift down.
Yeah, I like
you want to go ahead.
Yeah, I like the sound that it makes when you rev the car.
It's actually a very motivating sound.
Yeah.
You enjoy the rev of the car.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go on a bit of road where there are a lot of potholes.
Yeah, I can feel every pothole that we are going through in this car.
Let's stiffen our backs a little bit more.
Yeah.
The next best thing about the car I like is this touchscreen new system. It's a 7.9-inch screen.
Yeah, this is one thing that I don't have in my car,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
and it
But
comes
the
with-
newer model has it.
But this got it first.
Yeah, I know.
So the goodie points go here.
Yeah.
So this comes with Apple CarPlay. So I
Yeah.
can manage my entire iPhone from here.
Yeah, and Android Auto as well.
Now, recently, about a month ago, it's got a software update in which you're getting Android Auto as well.
Okay.
So I can use my entire phone from here. Basic necessities of my phone.
Yeah.
So example, all my phone calls
Okay.
I can receive.
Mm-hmm.
I can dial a number from here.
Yeah.
If I open this. So one thing I forgot is, so these are green tinted windows.
Yeah.
So in
Police
this
won't
sun-
be able to give you a challan for
yeah,
this.
absolutely. They cannot remove it unless they break it.
Yeah.
And if they do, they'll have to pay for it. So it protects from UV protection.
Okay.
And you won't feel it as such, but when you're in the sun and your window is down and when you put it up, you
Mhm.
actually feel the difference.
Okay,
So,
nice.
first I thought it's just a gimmick to sell the car,
Yeah.
but after driving it, I actually feel, but actually you can see the difference.
Yeah, the difference is night and day actually. You can feel it on the windshield also. I think on the
Yeah,
side
see
windows there is a tint, and on the windshield it's normal.
So,
time to go to the i20 now?
yeah, let's go. Time
Yeah.
to switch it off.
Okay.
Let's go. Right now in Rishabh's i20.
Yeah.
So let's go for a drive.
I think before that, safety first.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Safety is first. Don't really have the money to give to the cops.
Exactly.
So let's go. So tell us the good points about your car.
The good points, yeah. Where should I start from? It's really silent in the car when you sit. As soon as you close the doors, it cannot hear a thing from outside.
I'll give you credit on that.
Yeah.
Sure, the ride is much more smoother and quieter.
Yeah, even the suspension for that matter is a lot more supple than the Baleno. I think the Baleno is tuned for a much stiffer suspension to give you that sporty ride, whereas this has that supple feeling, that smooth, cushiony feeling that you get. And plus the NVH levels, when you talk about that, I think it adds to the comfort of the car even more. Other than that, I like the digital speed that you get. I know it's not that cool in comparison to your multi-function display.
Yeah, the power and torque sure looks much better.
Yeah, and plus my car is a sports option variant. In the top-end model, the Asta version of this, we have a Supervision cluster. It's somewhat like the Balenos, but yeah, the Baleno one, it is a winner over the i20.
So we're back on the road, which is not really good, with a lot of potholes and bad road. I can surely feel the difference between the ride.
Exactly.
It's a much smoother ride. So I guess if you have to compare the cars, I'll say this is for family purposes.
Yeah.
And that's for, I'd say, bachelors or people who didn't really want to, have a very smooth ride, who want to enjoy their drive.
Yeah.
Should buy that.
It's a more calm and composed
Exactly.
vehicle.
So who wants to enjoy it, as in with comfort, should buy this. And those who want some power in the engine,
And some fun
for
while
sure,
driving.
should buy the Baleno.
But that is within your limits actually. The traffic
Absolutely.
limits.
Speed limits, always. What are the things you don't like about your car?
I don't like the mileage of this vehicle here. Really sucks, man.
So how much does your car give?
If I
I'd
drive
say in
it,
Indian terms, kitna deti hai?
if I rev it like that,
Yeah.
then I don't think.
I guess just be careful.
Yeah, if I rev it like that, then I don't think I'll be getting something more than 11.5.
That's very less
Being
for a
a-
car at the segment.
Being a petrol vehicle, I guess you can understand that you have a Maruti. The sound system also is very good in comparison to the other cars, like in your Baleno. I think before you install that subwoofer, were you really satisfied with the sound?
Not really satisfied, but not really disappointed as well.
Okay.
So the only thing I did not like that time was there was a lot of, vibration in the door panels.
Okay.
That was they're not, it's a Maruti, so
Yeah.
there's a lot of cost cutting.
Yeah.
So that's the thing I
Plastic
did not
quality is
like.
not that good. So
Yeah.
this is very solidly built
Yeah,
actually.
plastic quality is very good.
Yeah.
It's got a beige and black tone to it. So that looks nice.
Yeah.
Another thing I didn't like about the car, my car is entirely black, black interior. So
Yeah.
dust particles looks very dirty.
Yeah.
So I always keep a cloth with me
Okay.
just to keep it clean because I like my car clean.
I think your music system also has that piano black finish, so
Yeah, exactly.
that is a.
It looks nice until it's clean.
Yeah.
And when it gets dirty, it looks really bad.
Yeah.
We've come to a halt, so let's talk about your music system.
Yeah, the music system is actually good. It sounds really good. So I think we should play some copyright-free music
Absolutely.
if I can find something.
Not bad, but I guess a subwoofer won't mind.
Yeah, obviously, you would say that actually.
Exactly.
So yeah, we have now talked to you about the features of both these two cars.
Yep.
And what do you think, Aman?
I think it's my car, so I'll obviously choose the Baleno. And
I
it's a newer
think
one.
yeah, though I love my car,
Who doesn't?
Yeah, but I think in this comparison, Baleno is the clear winner. And why is that?
I guess because it gives you more for the money you spend.
Yeah, that's right. Because the kind of features that Maruti is offering with the Baleno, it's really good. And yes, the updated i20 is also giving you all those features. But yeah, the price of the i20 also is comparatively higher than the Baleno.
And in the top end model of the i20, you can get a Baleno RS.
Oh,
It's
that's
got
great.
a 1 liter turbo engine, so that's,
Yeah.
not better.
We would be reviewing that soon. Yeah.
Let's hope so.
Yeah. So,
Actually, to be honest, I never expected Maruti to come up with a car like that.
yeah,
It's
seriously.
absolutely opposite what Maruti used to give.
Yeah. I think
So-
they have improved their image with this car. with the Baleno. Yeah. So with this, we'll end this blog, and please like, share, and subscribe
And
to
I
our
hope you all
channel.
liked it.
Yeah, and give a thumbs up to this video if you like this video. Have a good day to you all.
Yes.
Peace out.